Jemee. Today I am really very excited since it is our first awesome cooking session. I'll be showing you how to prepare and cook one of my favorite breakfasts. It is simple yet a healthy recipe of spare and veggie fried rice. I used to prepare and cook this under my mom's supervision. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 2 medium-sized eggs, 1 4 container of spam, slice the whole spam into 4. I used the less-than 1 small carrot, 1 cup of broccoli florets, my favorite veggie, 2 cups of cooked rice, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We use canola oil at home. It contains both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are good for the heart, thus making it a healthy cooking oil. For the utensils, we will be using the following. 1 is a deep rounded pan, spatula or wooden spoon, knife, peeler, chopping board, small balls, fork. Before we continue, let me just share some awesome facts I learned about carrots and broccoli. We will be using these veggies in the spam and veggie fried rice. Did you know that? Among all vegetables, carrots have the largest content of vitamin A, the carotene, which is good for the eyes. We think of carrots as orange, but they can also be white, yellow, red, and purple. Did you also know that carrots are far more nutritious when they are cooked and eaten rather than being eaten raw? The cell walls of carrots are very tough and it is very difficult to digest. When cooked, these cell walls break and release the nutrients, making cooked carrot far more nutritious. If you are traveling to places where food is scanty, carry carrots with you as a single carrot can give you enough energy to walk 1 mile. On the other hand, broccoli are healthier raw rather than cooked. It's exactly the opposite of carrots. The best way to eat it is raw or steamed for just 2 to 3 minutes. A cup of broccoli has more vitamin C than orange. Let's continue. Let's start with the preparation. Using a fork, break the eggs into a small ball. Lightly beat the egg until the egg yolk and white combine. Dice spam. Slice the whole spam into 4 equal parts. Use 1 part or 1/4 of the whole spam and set aside the other 3 parts. Keep in a container and store in the fridge for future cooking. Slice the spam into length, then cut crosswise to make it into small cubes. Wash the carrots then peel off them crosswise so they are easier to handle. Place a thin strip to create a flat surface. I asked my mom's help here. Carefully slice crosswise to cut into small cubes. Broccoli florets. Cut just about the thick strip of the broccoli. So the small strips are free to separate. They have small florets cut closer to the head of each small stem. They will fall away into smaller pieces. So the broccoli florets in a bowl of water. So now we all have our ingredients prepared and we are ready to cook. Preheat the pan and wait for about a minute. Next, pour 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Spread it onto the pan. Pour in the beaten eggs. Stir to scramble it until slightly cooked. Then set aside first. Next, fry the diced spam until it's colored. Turn to light golden brown. Add the 2 cups of cooked rice and up any big chunks of rice. Then toss to combine. Add the diced carrots. Toss to combine and until tender. Add the scrambled egg and the broccoli florets. Toss to combine for only a few minutes until broccoli turns bright green. Remember not to overcook the broccoli so it won't lose its nutrients and vitamins. You may sprinkle salt and pepper this season, but depending on your taste. As for me, I find the flavor of the spam perfectly good enough for my taste. We can also add some leafy vegetables like spinach. Pretty much, this is my quick, healthy and yummy spam and veggie fried rice. Serve it hot and enjoy a healthy breakfast. Let's eat. Bon appetit! Bon appetit!
You said you have a secret sauce.
Yay!
Fried rice with Tabasco sauce. How's it gonna taste?
Spicy.
Let's take a look at the finished product. How does it taste?
It tastes spicy, delicious.
Show them you're eating broccoli. Wow! Did you know that the more colorful the vegetables are, the more vitamins and minerals it has? So you're eating a very bright orange carrot and a very dark green broccoli. You're a very good role model to your viewers.
Very good. That's the last bite.
Healthy juice.
Wait, there's more. I have to finish. Thank you very much for watching. If you find my video useful and you think it may inspire someone you know, please feel free to share it. To support my advocacy in promoting the social value of special needs kids like me, please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ausome Jemee, and watch out for more inspiring videos. If you have any questions and or want to give some suggestions, please type that in the comment section below. I would love to read that and reply back to you. I may be different but not less, because I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. This is Jemee saying, let's spread love and have an awesome day. Bye! See you again on my next video.